don't look that dirty. That's the air that's going across the floor right now with this dirty. You can see the dirt rolling out, and this is just the first time. That's the way it goes.
So what was that top number before?
About 350, 330, something like that.
So what does that equal out to when you, what does that difference in that number mean?
That means that we're moving a whole lot more heat off of that unit now. Right now I've got like a 6-degree temperature split. I've got like 67, 8 degrees, 70, 68, 69 degree air going in, but I've only got 61 air degree coming out. I should be able to push closer to 55 coming out.
So what could potentially happen if you run a unit too low on refrigerant?
Well, if it's low on refrigerant, refrigerant is like antifreeze in a vehicle. It keeps also, instead of just cooling the house, it also cools that compressor. Overheats the compressor and burns the windings up. Wire that compressor out and knock it out.
Okay.
That's that 1.5 pounds of Freon that we added to that. Just changed the temperature split in there from 69 to from 8 degrees to 14 degrees.
So what does temperature split mean?
Temperature split is the air that's going into the return and coming back out of your vents. Whenever we first started and cleaned it up, excuse me, we had 69 degree air going in, 61 degree air coming out. 8 degrees temperature split. Now we got 68 degree air going in, 52 degree air coming out.
That's a big difference.
That's a major difference.
So it's important that when you have a maintenance done, it'll also check if you need refrigerant and make sure your refrigerant is at top.
Correct. Make sure that everything is, there's more to just maintenance than just coming in, firing up a unit and looking at it and say, yep, refrigerant's good. You need to check your electrical, you need to check your Freon, you need to check your temperatures. All of that needs to match up.